drone going up.
We're at PSIS 323. We're having students learn about drones, about VR, about coding. This is the first initiative in New York City. It's never been done before. It's exciting.
From the bio bus, kids are simulating how to fly a drone virtually, and then they're going to come in this great gym here to actually utilize their training and fly here in real life.
When kids get on the bus, they're in a professional research environment and they can feel that. And it really changes their perception of who can do this kind of work. It's not just old white guys in a lab coat, it's everybody. Today, kids are coming on and they're using virtual reality headsets.
Oh wow, this looks nice.
Most of them have not used those before, and it's a really exciting introduction to that technology.
Come back, drone, come back. And then when I went to one of the places that said coding mission, they wanted me to code.
We've got these little code cubes, and the students are able to do some simple programming. Ultimately, they can use this to program drones to run missions, that are autonomous.
It was a new experience and something that I haven't tried. I think coding is easier for me.
Eventually, they just get used to it and they start going crazy with it. I just want them to have fun.
Oh, stop the clone?
Yeah, you did.
Easy.
The students love it. This is what education is all about.
What we're really intent on doing is preparing our young people for 21st century jobs. Lots of departments here in New York City are gonna need drone pilots. They don't know it yet, but what we're doing is we're actually preparing these students to become that workforce.
We're learning to program and we're learning how to fly drones and we're learning about drones.
This is a pipeline that we've created to help underprivileged and underserved communities and kids enter into the aviation industry.
Y'all means turning the drone. You're turning the axis of the drone from left to right. Stop right there, good. You can take your right thumb now.
It was kind of hard to control, but if you kind of get it steady, it's easy.
This tele-drone that has the data bot right on top, we're going to actually simulate a vinegar and baking soda volcanic eruption going on, and it's going to go fly right into it, giving us real data on exactly what the parts per million of the CO2 gases coming out of that. Look at this thing, pretty sick. What's going on?
These kids get it, they love it, they want to just drill right into it, and they have the ability to do it. We just have to simply give them the actual tools.
This is fun.
I want to be a basketball player and a maker of drones and a flyer of drones.
It was the best day of summer camp so far.
First time ever in New York City this is being done. These kids here at this summer camp are having an amazing time. I'm from Brownsville. This is happening in Brownsville, Brooklyn, home of so many legends, and we're going to get a legend out of here today.
It was fun and it was not that hard.
Mayor Adams, please help us out. Brooklyn Borough President Antonio Reynoso, help us out. We need funds. We need support for our students.
I'm going to the moon!